go again. Rolex, Rolex, Rolex. Look at that. Look at that right there. GMT Master. Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P. Rouse back in the building with another video. And right now, check this out. We're about to take this Gallant Watch out and check it out. And let's see what this joint is all about. You know what I mean? Hope everybody out there had a safe weekend. And check this out. Here we go. It comes with a link removal tool. You know what I'm saying? This tool look old school as heck. But you know what? It'll definitely do the job. It'll definitely do the job. Now, let's take the watch out. And check this out. You know, aesthetically pleasing. I like the way this watch looks. You know, I really like the way this one looks versus the first Gallant that I got. Y'all can go back. I'll put a link in the description for that video. That one was pretty decent, but I like this one better. You know what I mean? So right here, what I hate about the plastic that they put around these watches, especially when they be stainless, is that it's so damn hard to get off. You know what I'm saying? So finally got the plastic off. As you can see, guys, it actually has a butterfly clasp on it, which I think is very good. And if you look closely at the back, you know what I mean? It says 5 ATM water resistance, Japanese movement, and stainless steel back. One of the reserves I had about this watch and the other one was the fact that the whole case wasn't stainless steel, but I can say that the bracelet is stainless steel. I don't know if it's 316L or what, but it is stainless steel. Now looking closely at the crown, you can see that the crown is signed. I'm gonna take this plastic off the front so I can get to some of this bezel action that I want you guys to hear, okay? Now check this out, right? Listen closely. Again, it's not too bad, you know what I mean? But there is like a little play in between, you know what I mean, where it goes back and come back a little bit. But overall, it's something that I can definitely deal with. You see what I'm saying? Now we're gonna put him on the wrist. Now put him on the wrist, looking at this dial. The dial diameter is 42 millimeters with a case thickness of 11 millimeters. Again, this is not a stainless steel case, you know what I mean? But for the money, you really can't complain. You understand? It looks pretty good on the wrist. And again, aesthetically, I like this design. Now, looking at this dial, you would think that the hour markers and the hands and the second hand and everything had lume on it. But that is not the case. And I'm getting ready to show y'all what I'm talking about. You know what I mean? As you see from this lume shot, the only thing that's lume is the hour hand, the minute hand, and the second hand, and the top of the bezel where the triangle is. But you know what? It's all good. The lume is decent, which is another reserve that I have about this watch. You know, they could have put lume around the whole thing. Again, for a few extra dollars, I think it would have been great. Now, overall, how do I feel about this watch? Let's talk about the negatives first, okay? One, it's a stainless steel back and bracelet, but not a stainless steel case. Okay, I feel like all the lume, the markers on the watch should have had lume. Okay, but the positive side is that it is a great watch for someone to start off a watch collection with. It's definitely aesthetically pleasing, and I would definitely recommend this watch to someone who is starting a collection or a budding watch enthusiast. You know what I mean? Again, I think it's very beautiful. You know, so let's get into it. If you're interested in buying this watch, click on the link down here. Use the promo code Rouse Saves and save a few dollars on this piece. This your boy P. Rouse, and we out. Peace.